Welcome to AutoWorld of Conway, where today we'll be previewing a beautiful 1980 Chevrolet Corvette. So this was the car when I was growing up that everybody wanted. And here's your opportunity to have a very fine example here at AutoWorld of Conway. So we'll take some time to take a look and see exactly what this lovely lady has to offer. So that way you can decide if she's going to be the next car in your driveway. So finish in silver over maroon. It's a very well optioned car with its original interior, original driveline. As far as we're aware, you got power windows, power locks, air conditioning, AM, FM, remote mirrors on both sides. And what a beauty she is. It came to us out of a collection along with 85 other cars in Rhode Island. You see the tilt telescoping wheel there. The horn even still works. This is the original color. It has been repainted. Did a very nice job. New tires recently before us. Power antenna there, we'll show that functions as it should, which you and I both know oftentimes they do not. I don't see any blemishes or cracks in the rear bumper or the front bumper for that matter. As we see a lot of these cars, I call it cracked up. So we see a lot of these in below average condition. Rust-free car all the way around. It just finished, performed an oil change here at the dealership as part of the pre-sale inspection. And this is just a shadow. You see me walk through here. But to get an idea of how beautiful the metallic is on this paint. My assistant will open the hood for us there. And you'll see a couple of upgrades. HEI distributor for reliability. Chrome valve covers. Factory air breather. This is a 4-barrel. See a Champion radiator. There's one little spot, you can just barely see it, but I want to highlight on the hood, right here in the dead center. That is an imperfection that I would want to be aware of. Around the headlights, nice and clean. This is a stress point that we typically see cracks, not in this car. What we'll do, we'll fire it up. We'll show the operation of the headlights as well. See a new alternator there under the hood light functions. It's got a great tone. You see now the antenna is up. The power window just go down there. We'll run the other window down. Nice and easy. Put those back up. in and we'll go for a test drive. We're going to turn that latch back to the neutral position. So I do have some provenance that accompanies the car. A T-top rack back here. There's a new power antenna motor there. So in this folder, we've got high-resolution pictures of these also. Original paperwork. And a protective plate. Always a good piece to have. And some receipts throughout the years. You'll see all the gauges functioning, including the fuel gauge. The clock does not work. See a tachometer there. This is our main dealership. All the cars are pre-serviced before sold, inspected, photographed, and videos. This is my 20th year making videos such as this for customers all over the world. What a great day. There's a tilt wheel he's showing you there. So we'll wait for traffic. It's about rush hour. Nicely through the gears. Get a 3-speed. Air leak from the T-tops. That's normal for these cars. Look, it says no hands. Look how straight and true she goes down the road. Find a radio station here. Just an idea so that way you understand the functionality. Windshield wipers. Alright, wonderful. So that's all the buttons. We'll go up here one more time, go through the gears, and that'll conclude this driving video. This beautiful 1980 Corvette. One more time. There you go. Well, thank you for enjoying this ride along with us here at AutoWorld of Conway, where we always have good cars for good people.